Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change photo background using Photoshop mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, you have to open your Photoshop mobile application, and after you have this application opened, you can go to the generative fill right here. Click on this generative fill option, and then you can choose a photo you want to change the background of. I'm going to change the background of this photo, so I'm going to click on this photo, and before we change the background, we have to erase or remove the background of this photo. We can use this brush to remove the background like this. You can just remove it manually like this. Okay, once you're done removing the background of your photo, you can click on replace, and you have to describe the image you want to generate. For example, I'm going to change the background of this photo with forest picture, so I'm just going to type dark forest like this, and then we can click on the generate, and then the AI will generate a picture for you for your background. Okay, and here are some results we can apply to our photo. I'm going to try it one by one, and I'm gonna go with this one, guys. And after that, we just need to click on this button to save this photo to our gallery. Alright guys, and that's how we can change photo background using Photoshop. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching.